this special episode of Pointers and Hooks, we head back down to my hometown in Lawrence County, Georgia for a classic whitetail deer hunt. But with this unseasonably warm weather, the deer are keeping a low profile during the day. So when the deer don't show, we switch gears and I hit up my buddy Dalton from Boar Bully Outfitters for a little nighttime hog hunting. Dalton agrees to take us to a few of his prime spots, hoping his dogs can track down some hogs.
I saw the light out baptized.
What starts as a hunt quickly turns into an extreme adventure. Stay tuned.
You know, when I'm bored, I like to play a game and guess how far something is with my rangefinder. But I'm always wrong.
That's nothing new.
Okay.
As the hours tick by, the only thing we're spotting is a whole lot of nothing. For the next few days, it's the same story every morning and evening. Sometimes we hunt together, other times we split up, hoping to cover more ground. But despite our best efforts, we can't break through the relentless stillness. Not a single deer graces our sights.
This is definitely a morale killer. Interesting.
After some random dogs ruined my last hunt, I decided to hit up my buddy Dalton. He runs Boar Bully Outfitters, and he has been running dogs and catching hogs since high school. I'm itching for some action, and this seems like the perfect way to get it. Alright, we got our buddy Dalton out here, about ready to guide us on a little hog hunt tonight. Got the dogs, let's go look at them. Hey guys, wanna be famous too? How you doing? Good doggies. So, these are the seekers, and those are the...
These two right here are gonna be the seekers, and then the rest is pretty much dispatch.
Sweet.
Yeah, these folks they're only 11 months old, and they're doing really good. That's the old veteran in here. She'll run with them. She'll find her own and everything too. She's rough. She just had pups 3 days ago. But
how old is she?
She's probably 6.5, 7 years old now.
Yeah.
She's Airedale, half poodle. Accidental breed, and we didn't even know she was gonna make anything. But my dad got it from his boss at the time, and she's one of the best we've ever owned.
Dogs?
3 days ago, and all the pups died. So she's wanting to load up.
Hi, babies.
Stick your finger in there, baby.
Ain't none of them gonna bite you.
I knew they wouldn't.
This is T. That's T. This is Daisy. Screech and Bonnie and
Take them all home.
Put in some work.
We'll try to catch one.
All
Alright. Damn, I'm excited. Thanks for getting the beer, man. You about to get naked?
I'm about to get naked.
Naked on night vision?
No, not on night vision.
With adrenaline already coursing through my veins, we followed Dalton to his first spot, eager for the chase to begin.
So we're going to let the dogs out, go down about 50, 60 yards. There's a road to the left, there's a food plot in the back. We're going to send dogs down there, that's where he's at right now. All right. 250 yards already.
Dogs?
Yeah. And somebody. That's a young dog. That's Bonnie. Can't believe Bonnie did.
Leave us so you know.
Come on, baby. That's where they jumped him at.
That's cool.
It's 4:05 right now. The hog's gonna do a bunch of circles trying to lose him. Maybe he could keep barking and get some dogs in there to him.
We start our trek, closing the gap between us and Dalton's dogs, who already had ventured deep into the woods.
He's looking at the hog. Dude, he is running the piss out of him.
Damn. He's definitely doing loops.
The hog's trying to lose him. Smart hog. We've been on this hog so many times. I'm not really expecting to catch him, but maybe y'all brought us some good luck. If he ever gets him close enough with these other dogs, we'll catch him.
Really?
If they can know he's coming, we'll catch him.
How many times you try to catch this one?
Probably 7 or 8. He's got some big teeth.
Oh shit.
He's not a little baby.
So how do your seeker dogs know to bring them towards you? Like, how do they know where you are?
Normally, most of the time they won't, but a hog like this, he's just so smart. He'll just run them in a small little circle, and they will never catch him.
Gotcha.
He doesn't have to go far to get rid of them.
Suddenly, I hear the dogs change up their bark, and I knew something was about to go down.
They get him caught.
How they run through so fast?
Let's go.
I'm working on it.
They definitely fishing.
That nose is here.
Come on. So dry. Bear and titties.
Is that your new song?
Gonna get some beer and titties down at the nitty gritty on the river bank. Jamming out to little Hank.
Alright, so we're stopping for a beer break. We thought we had a hog, but it turns out it led into a pasture, and we just kind of turned around. But maybe on to the next spot. See what kind of luck we get.
Beer break.
When the doggy won't come back, you trick it with hog sounds.
Yeah.
That's how you get the dog back.
So we're out here in a new spot. And we
New spot.
new spot, yeah.
Yes, sir.
What we doing right now?
They are trailing off right now. Hoping we gonna get a good one to stop. Also, I think they're on one.
Yeah. They moving with him. I can hear them running through the woods with him.
Do you hear the hog?
Yeah, something running, something did. Ain't no dog.
This wind sucks. Hard to hear. What he's doing, he's like following his tracks. It's crazy.
So we took a quick break, but the dogs have been chasing this hog for a while, and they're doing multiple circles. And the circles start long, and then they get smaller. And now we're on our way to go get it. They've chased him 5.5 miles. Dalton was telling us that the hogs are smart because it'll be more than one hog. And once the dogs chase one big hog for 5 miles,
they'll run into another hog, and then they'll start chasing that hog, and then after 10 miles, them dogs are done. I don't know if that's the case this time, but we head closer to the dog's location, but it's about that time to wrap up the night. So we down here waiting on the dogs to come back. Figured I'd share a couple things that I learned.
Robbie is home. Hoochie coochie.
I didn't learn that.
You didn't learn that?
No.
You just did, stupid.
Although we didn't catch a hog tonight, I had an absolute blast unleashing my inner redneckedness with my wife and friends. I gained a newfound respect for these incredible dogs, witnessing the relentless drive and their sheer passion for chasing these beasts on the ground. This experience opened my eyes to how dangerous and demanding this sport can be, and the dedication it takes to pursue it. If you ever find yourself in Middle Georgia and crave a thrilling adventure, look up my buddy Dalton at Boar Bully Outfitters. It's a guaranteed good time. I'll leave you with a compilation of Dalton and his dog's successful catches. We'll see y'all in the next adventure.
And done it again. Huh, let me see. Let me see you, baby. Caught hog! Caught hog!
He too heavy for you? Huh? Good hog. Yes, sir, bud. Good hog. Buck got his revenge, baby. Let's go. Good job. Yeah.
I should have grabbed him, damn it.
We're about to get wet.
Out, boys!
What did you say, Gav?
This is all, boys.
What is that?
Fucker right there.
What is that?
Goddamn giant, that's what that is.
Woo! Oh yeah. Beautiful. That ain't no bar. It's a boar.
Rolling through the pines, moonshine in the jar, folks rooting in the dusk. We ain't gotta drive too far. Dogs barking loud, paws hit the
We'll tie her.
we blitzing through the brush like a southern postcard. Hog hunting with the crew, sunrise in our eyes. We got dogs on the trail, here with our slime crowd. The ground, no time. southern sky.
Get him, monkey! Get him, monkey! Get him, son! Get him, son! Get him, boy! There you go! That's what I talk about! Get him! Yo!
Backwards battleground, no time for Alabama. Keep it country, keep it raw beneath this southern sky. Shotgun slung low, bandana tied around the neck, mud cake, boots stomp, ain't no city slickers red. Now sniffing roots, we the ones on deck. Gotta wrangle them boars sharp as a cold steel shield. Hog hunting with the